all, if you're planning to buy a car in Germany and you would like to know some price examples and what would be additional costs in the future for owning a car, then I really hope this video would be useful for you. I want to share with you which options do you have in Germany to find and buy your future car. I'll give you a lot of examples and I'll give you an overview of all future one-time and recurring costs which you would have when you own a car in Germany. There are basically two options, which is obvious: buy a new car or buy a used car. For buying a new car, you would go probably the same as in your country to an official dealer from a car manufacturer where you can configure anything according to your taste and your needs, and then you get your future new car. For buying a used car, there are a couple of options to choose from. You can get your car from a car manufacturer or official dealer, and in this video I will show you the biggest shop in Munich from BMW. If you want to save money, you can also go to Froettmaning. Froettmaning offers you cars from multiple car manufacturers and to cheaper prices. The third option would be to buy from a private person, and usually to compare the prices and to find the options that is best for you, you use in Germany mobile.de website or perhaps eBay. And now let's finally check out some cars and the prices. Only 100 PS. Personally, my favorite, Mini Cooper. Love so much. Nice, but I prefer Mini Cooper. So here you can see the new cars if you would like to compare the prices. what are the advantages of official dealers. They give you 1 year warranty, they give you 6 months maintenance free guarantee, meaning that the car is in such a good condition that for the first 6 months they assure you you will not need any type of repairment at all. But you obviously pay much higher price. And now, compared to fancy BMW cars, let's see a very cheap option. Free traders, the companies that sell all different type of cars and have no official contract with any bigger car manufacturers. So let's check out what is the price difference. It's also important to know what kinds of costs you will have after you found your car and you bought it. So the first thing to do is to register the car. And for registering your car, you would have to pay one time 27 euros, and you will get your number plate for a small additional fee. You will need to find an insurance for your car, and that's really complicated topic in Germany, and there are a lot of also options to choose from, and a lot of companies that offers insurance, as you might know. So the price varies also very highly depending on the type of the car, obviously, but also on your driving experience and for how long you have already insured any other cars or other vehicles. So you can calculate the future insurance price online, and then you can easily compare it. What you need to keep in mind, 3 types you can choose from. The cheapest options is called Haftpflichtversicherung, and it only covers the liability, so any damage you would cause to somebody else's cars or to somebody, the insurance company would cover this damage, but they will not cover any damage that happened to your own car, right? The next type, the second less expensive, is Teilkasko in German. So partial insurance would cover some additional things, like for example if your car gets stolen, but it will not cover any damage caused to your car by your own fault. And obviously if you go for the full option for Vollkasko, then it will cover any kind of damage, but it's the most expensive one. To give you just an impression how expensive are the costs, I have tried to calculate online insurance for BMW car, assuming it's my first car and I never had an insurance before and no other vehicles insured. And I used one of the most famous insurance companies in Germany. Then there are more yearly costs to add. Of course, we are in Germany, there are taxes. And this will be automatically booked from your bank account usually, so you don't have to worry about it. So a very important one is 2 years regular car inspection. This would cost about 100 euros for a car, and you can, in south of Germany, you can use 2 institutions. One is called TÜV and one is called KÜS, and both are very similar to each other. So once in 2 years you have to bring your car and to assure it meets official German standards. If you forget to do this, you would have to pay penalty if you're stopped by with a police car. And if you are very late, if you're like half a year late for this appointment, then you would have also additional costs. So what other costs you would have? Obviously you would have fuel, parking charges, you would have regular maintenance costs in case you need any repairments. For example, you have to change your tires twice a year, once from winter to summer and then from summer to winter. So you can do it yourself like I do, or you can pay some money for that. These are the main costs for owning a car, and depending on the type of car and other factors, the costs vary per month between 100 and 1,000 euros. So according to German statistics. So I really hope you will find your dream car soon, and thank you very much for watching.